Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to hide your activity in LinkedIn on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, of course you just have to open your LinkedIn application, and also you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And after, just go ahead to your profile here at the top left. Now go to the settings at the bottom, and in the settings page, tap on this visibility, just tap on it. And after, under the visibility of your LinkedIn activity here at the bottom, you can manage your active status and turn off notification, profile change, and news. Here for the manage active status, I'm gonna tap on it. You just have to adjust it for no one, for your connection only, or for all LinkedIn members. If you want to hide your activity, you can choose these two options, I guess, which is no one or for only your connection. Here I'm gonna tap on no one. I'm gonna choose the first one, and then you just have to turn off the notifications for profile change and news like this. I'm gonna tap on this notifications connection when you're in the news. I'm gonna tap on it and just turn off the toggle beside it. Then while likes and comments are public, you can hide the visibility of your active status and stop broadcasted updates to your network. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.